Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friend, TCS written test result may announce any point of time. So maybe after 2 days, after 5 days, after 6 days, but definitely this month you will be getting your interview dates. Now, few of the students have started getting this candidate bashed and the status is bashed. Now, what is the meaning of this? So, I will give you the complete clarity about this particular candidate bashed status. And friends, as I said, the result will be announced at any point of time. Result will be definitely announced this month. So please start your preparation for the interview, because what happens, so as soon as your uh, you know exam, in a written test result will be announced, your interview date, right? So you will be getting just 2 to 3 days for your interview. So if you are not preparing from before, then it will be a problem for you. Friends, please practice the code which you got during the examination. Please practice many times, because from many of the students, they will ask you to write the logic for the code and what was the code which was asked during your exam. All those things will be asked. Core subject also you need to practice, so please focus more on the interview. Now friends, so before we go ahead and talk more, please do like and subscribe to this channel, and also do share this video so that other people also will have a clarity of these things. Now, what is the meaning of candidate based? So friends, if a candidate status, right, batch status is batched, the meaning is, okay, generally the meaning is you are eligible for the interview. That means you are going to get the selection mail. But friends, in the last year 2024, in the last year 2024, so we had seen many of the candidate, their status were bashed, okay, their status were bashed, but still they did not get any mail for the interview. They did not clear the written test. So the if the status candidate status is bashed, it does not mean that 100% you are selected for the interview and you are selected in the written test. No, please don't keep that in mind. But one thing, please try to understand. See, if after that offer letter is generated, offer letter accepted, and ILP eligible, this will only happen when you are bashed. So if you are bashed, then only offer letter generated, offer letter accepted, and ILP eligible, all those things will be there if you clear the interview. But the meaning of bashed does not mean, okay, does not mean that you are selected in the written test and you are eligible for the interview. So please do not predict or don't get confused with this candidate batch status. This I am telling you, on this 2024 also same thing had happened, and many students were confused, and I had made a video for them. And the same thing I am telling you. So please don't, listen some. See, there will be many YouTube channel will be there. Candidate bashed, result is announced. Uh, जल्दी जल्दी इंटरव्यू का प्रिपरेशन करो, take our courses and all those things. Don't provide the wrong information. You see, anyone I will always tell, please do not provide the wrong information. Tell the student the correct thing. So if your candidate bashed is bashed, it does not guarantee that you will be called for interview. Okay, so you will have to wait for the interview mail only. Okay, now, so friends, you start preparing for the interview, don't delay. And already TCS NQT comprehensive latest interview material, so this has been launched for 2025 batch, where a lot of content has been covered. Okay, even the recent interview experiences, also technical interview, question interview, live classes, mock, common live mock interview is going on. Subject wise interview preparation is sorted. Okay, Python videos for 2025 interview, Java DSC question for digital prime interview, TCS interview previous year questions, where you know we have collected the interview question asked from the student, and Zoom live classes mock interview. All those things we have already done for you. So this, already friends, this written test is the main hurdle. 80%, right? So 80% The problem comes in the written test. Written test, if you have cleared just 20%, but don't take it lightly, because if you are called for a prime interview, if you do not perform well, so from 9 LPA, you will be, degraded to 3.3 LPA. Okay. So please think about it. So this 400 rupees course, no, if you take it now and start your preparation till, when the results will come, you will be well prepared. And you know you will be, if you are called for prime interview, you will be getting prime role 9 LPA. If you call for digital interview, you will get 7 LPA. All those things will be keep happening. Okay, so I hope you got the clarity. So candidate based means, do not take as a granted that you will be called for interview. There is a possibility that you might not be called for interview also. Okay, thank you, take care. And after the, badge status, if you give the interview, if you clear the interview, then offer letter will be generated. Offer letter, you will accept the offer letter, then ILP eligibility. So all those things later on will be discussed. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care.